This is a Rover 75. It's a handsome car, but they do have a few issues. Now the Rover 75 would be a great car if only it wasn't for the fact that it's not a great car. I mean, I do like them, but out of all of the Rovers, they are most definitely the worst one they've ever made. Now this here is an electric window Switchpack located on the driver's door. We have rear windows, we have front windows, but this one, although it's intact, has a nice big broken bit there. And this one hasn't got a broken bit, but it does need a bit of cleaning. And two of the buttons have broken, which is typical because they did make these out of rather flimsy plastic. Well, I say flimsy, it's standard ABS, but it's a tiny little thing just there that stops this from breaking and falling apart. And all it takes is somebody to be a bit rough, somebody with fingers made of frozen sausages to make them go wrong. I've seen it a few times. And so, in my video, it is my intention to make this one good out of this one. Well, they've both got something wrong with them, right? So why not make one good one? Or, no, better idea instead. This is better than nothing. Even though it's got a broken bit there, it works. This can be mended, can be cleaned up, and these buttons taken out and replaced with these ones, which come out of the back. The rear electric windows are so much less likely to end up broken because they don't get used as much. It's a bit difficult to be a rear passenger in a car whilst there's nobody driving it. When you have a good inspection of these, you can see that it is all just clipped together. These and those as well. And it's just simply a matter of unclipping things carefully so you don't smash them to bits in order to get out the little toggle thing that's in there. And once you see just how much plastic there is stopping that from breaking, you'll understand why they do break. Now, I've done this before and I can't remember exactly which of the tools are best to take it apart without breaking it. And I think this is too big. What we really need is a really very small flat blade screwdriver, of which I've got one knocking about somewhere. Let's go and find it. Is take this apart without actually breaking it, because although I won't need it afterwards, still don't want it broken. Take things apart respectfully. That's the trick. Take it apart respectfully, and then senior mustard's here. Now then, having gently prized apart the plasticky bits, we can see there's the switch, presses up or down, and the button on there. That's the broken one, and that's the non-broken one. And let's look at the difference between the two. Broken, not broken. Now this is rather grubby looking, isn't it? So I'd rather it be clean. Let's make it clean. I could use brake cleaner, or I could simply use a little bit of WD-40, which is a nice way to clean something like this. And then the new buttons will simply press into place, hopefully without breaking. Stick it in. There we go. As you can see, that is fixed. What a nice easy fix that was. Join me next time when Mustard does an easy fix on something. Let's have a selfie together. Yes, so what to do with the rest of the bits? chuck 'em. And whilst rooting over here for something that I didn't find, which was brake cleaner, I found this. Lithium grease. Been looking for that. It's been right there all this time.